Welcome to the Apple Daily News. This podcast is created by Generative AI. Today is August 20th, 2024, and we're diving into the latest in Apple technology, software, and devices. From cross-platform app development to Apple's latest hardware innovations, we've got a lot to cover. As always, links to all stories can be found in the episode notes. First up, let's talk about a fascinating development in cross-platform app creation. A blog post has detailed the process of running Apple's SwiftUI sample app, Scrumdinger, as a native Android application using a tool called Skip. Scrumdinger, designed for managing agile programming scrums, serves as a comprehensive tutorial for building SwiftUI apps. The author outlines the steps to convert the existing iOS app into a dual-platform app, starting with the installation of Skip and setting up the Android environment. The process involves creating a new Skip project, importing the Scrumdinger source code, and addressing various compatibility issues that arise during the migration. While Skip can successfully transpile most of the Swift code, some APIs are unsupported, requiring developers to use compiler directives to manage platform-specific code. The migration is iterative, involving repeated runs of the app to identify and fix errors. Although the Android version may not be pixel identical to the iOS version, it utilizes native UI components for a better user experience. After addressing several issues, including resource management and persistence differences, the author successfully demonstrates that Scrumdinger can run on both platforms. This highlights the efficiency of using Skip for cross-platform development, allowing for a unified codebase while maintaining the integrity of the iOS app. Next, let's delve into Apple's Vision Pro headset, a cutting-edge device priced at £3,500. This advanced mixed reality headset blends the real and virtual worlds seamlessly, offering users immersive environments like simulated 4K displays and 3D movies, all controlled by eye and hand movements. The Vision Pro features high-resolution micro-OLED displays and utilizes an M2 chip for smooth performance, while its R1 chip processes input from multiple cameras and sensors. Despite its impressive technology, the Vision Pro is heavy, weighing up to 650 grams, and requires a separate battery pack, which can lead to neck strain during extended use. The headset integrates well with Apple's ecosystem, allowing access to familiar apps and productivity tools, although some popular Google apps are missing. It excels in creating immersive experiences, such as virtual cinemas and interactive environments, and even allows users to relive memories through panoramic photos. The eyesight feature enables users to maintain social interactions while wearing it, displaying a digital version of their eyes to others. While the Vision Pro represents a significant leap in mixed reality technology, its high price and bulkiness may deter potential buyers. Overall, the Vision Pro is seen as a glimpse into the future of computing, but it may not yet fulfill Apple's vision of lightweight augmented reality glasses. In other news, Apple is set to rename the Apple ID to Apple Account starting next month with the launch of iOS 18, iPadOS 18, macOS Sequoia, and watchOS 11. This change aims to provide a consistent sign-in experience across all Apple products and services. Despite the new branding, there will be no functional changes to how users access their accounts. The Apple account will still serve as the personal account for accessing services like the App Store, iCloud, and FaceTime. The rebranding is expected to cause some initial confusion among users, as they will need to adjust to the new terminology. Apple emphasizes the importance of clarity in this transition, especially considering the potential for phishing schemes that may exploit user confusion. Users are encouraged to inform family and friends about the change to help mitigate any misunderstandings. Overall, the change is part of Apple's ongoing efforts to streamline user experiences across its ecosystem. Moving on to tools for developers, SiteOne Crawler is a versatile website analysis tool designed for developers, DevOps, QA engineers, and website owners. It operates on major platforms including Windows, macOS, and Linux. The tool can crawl websites deeply, analyze them for issues, and generate reports with useful statistics. It also offers features like offline website generation, sitemap creation, and email reporting. Users can operate it via a command line interface or a multi-platform desktop application with a graphical interface. The crawler is capable of simulating different device types and respects the robots.txt file during its operations. It provides detailed insights into each URL, including status codes, response times, and more. Additionally, it includes functionalities for stress testing, cache warming, and local project testing. Future developments for Site1 Crawler include Docker support for CI/CD pipelines and improved processing of static assets. The project is open for contributions and suggestions from the community. Lastly, let's talk about Renli, a new productivity app designed to help users streamline their tasks with reusable checklists. Available for a one-time payment of $8.99, Renli can be downloaded on iPhones, iPod Touches, and Macs with compatible operating systems. The latest update, version 1.0.3, was released on August 14, 2024, and includes an app preview video and support for the Spanish language. The developer, Jorge Blanco Herrera, emphasizes that Renli does not collect any user data, ensuring privacy for its users. The app is compatible with iOS 12.0 or later and macOS 11.0 or later, specifically for Macs with the Apple M1 chip or newer. Additionally, Renli supports family sharing, allowing up to 6 family members to use the app together. Overall, Renli aims to simplify task management for individuals looking for an efficient checklist solution. That's all for today's episode of the Apple Daily News. We hope you found these insights into Apple's latest developments both informative and engaging. Be sure to check the episode notes for links to all the stories we've covered. Join us again tomorrow for more updates and discussions on everything Apple. Until then, stay curious and keep exploring the world of technology.